Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Tú que lo luces porque tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Ella me dice que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si te perreas más me empeñaría ya pa' esa vuelta. Como tú te mueves así bien, bien mami, y con gusto toda la vuelta. Fresca como la playa de Miami.
Okay, so this is a very popular movement seen in a lot of Cubano, Latino style reggaeton dancing, and it's basically just a hip movement coupled with a chest movement. So they both happen at the same time. So essentially what's happening is we're doing a hip thrust movement, thrusting our hips forward and thrusting our hips back. So we're arching our back, poking our bum back, and then we're rounding our lower back off, thrusting our hips forward, okay? So hip thrust movement. And that's matched with a chest movement of a similar variety. So our chest goes forward, we bring our shoulders back, we open our chest up, and then our chest sinks into our chest. It goes back in, it retracts, and our shoulders come forward, and we hunch over our upper body, okay? So it goes back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Now when our hips go forward, our chest goes back. And when our hips go back, our chest goes forward. It looks a little like this.
Solita, pues me pregunté, ¿qué pasa cuando me bailo? Cerquita, eso fue descomunal.
When you do this and when you practice, make sure you get a nice wide stance too. Sit low into it, get a good leg workout, squat down, and then practice the movement. Bring your hands forward if you need to help yourself get that kind of rhythm with your chest and hip pops. What to do with your hands? Well, you can do a variety of different things, and this is where you can actually get quite creative with how you want to put your own style to this kind of dance move. But generally, people will usually do a double arm hit down every second beat. So we go boom, 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 up, down. 1, up, 2. 1, up, 2. 1, up, 2. 1, up, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You can even go inwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, or do every second beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you can go outwards. 1, 2, 3, into your chest and punch your fists out. 1, 2, 3. So basically what I'm trying to say is just experiment with your upper arms, but it's mainly that hip and chest movement, which is the key with the reggaeton movement. You can step out, step in, out, step in, out, step in, out, step in, out. You can go forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. That's the basic reggaeton movement. I don't know if it really has a name, but it's a basic Cubano reggaeton style body dance move. Enjoy.